Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add the note in a material in the JW Library app. So just open the app and find the material you are reading, and then hold your finger over the text where you would like to add the note, like this, and then the colors appear, and next to them there is a note button, and here you can write your personal note. For example, learn, like learn it, and that's basically it. I'll show it again. So hold your finger over it, tap on here, and then you can write a note or just leave it here this way. And if you go to personal study at the bottom of the page, you will see all your notes and tags there. That's basically it. I hope it helps.